Hello viewers, what's up? This is Mohammed Sajidz and you guys watching Sajidz Tech. In this video, I'm going to talking with you about an awesome smart trick by which you can also surprise your friends. And here guys, it will be really smartest tricks for you. So what's that trick? To know about that, you need to watch this video till to the end. Before just starting that video, there have a big request from me guys. If you are still not the subscriber of my channel, then please subscribe. And if you do so still not, so thanks a lot. Start that video with you guys. Okay guys, to do this here, first of all you need to install an app in your Android mobile phone, and that app will be available in the Play Store. And here from I'll go to in the Google Play Store, and from here that app is the transparent mode and the real transparent screen. You need to install that app in your mobile phone, and after that you need to open up it there in your Android mobile phone. And now from here you need to wait for a while, and after that here you need to click on the go. And here guys, I can say that my mobile phone just turned into the transparent mode, and from here everything has just going to the transparent mode from here. And whenever I just go to in the WhatsApp of my Android mobile phone, that time it also in the transparent mode from here. And whenever I go to in the Facebook, it also be the transparent mode. And here guys, everything is looks like that. So by that way you can also surprise your friend, and it's really awesome surprising trick for all of you guys. So guys, if you want to off that time you need to off this from the tab. So here just I off it from my tab, that time it's just turn off. And by that way you can also make it there in your Android mobile phone. Now guys, it's your turn to make it in your Android mobile phone. Guys, if you really can do it, the time there have a big request from me guys, please like this video, comment below on this video guys, share this video with your friends. So guys, no more today, we will meet in the next video. So till the end, take care, have a nice day.